Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is a digital kymograph. It has wire connection, computerized wire here, and the on-off switch. You switch it on, indicator indicates. This is having a increase and decrease of the speeds. You can increase it from, you can decrease it. Here, this is a per mm, 0.12 mm per second. If you increase it 0.25, double 1.25, 2.50 mm, 12.5 mm, 25 mm, 320 mm and 640 mm per second. This is the most common is this one and this one, mostly 320, and for doing experiment I am putting it on 25. If you want to start it, it starts the work here, and you can switch off by this also. This also is for engage and disengage, means you can engage it. This starts, basically this is again a start switch, but you can select it and stop it on the same spot. Here we have two points. Here we can connect it. This is a two sections, we can connect it and lose it, and then let me show you the close-up. This is a screw, lose it, and then you can make it either one or two different timings. This can be at a distance. This is a switch, micro switch. Here we have the on-off switch. Here it switches on and off when it passes. See this, I'll show you the working. Now you see this. This is moving and it will show you the two workings. Now this is going to see one, and second is this. This one has a connection here. These are the 2 points to be connected. The signal will be crossing from here to here. Here you can see it in this section. It is now direct, and this one is for connection. As soon as I can just show you by the multimeter for just circuit, I can show you the circuit. Here if I put it all these two on this, now you can see this. See, this is a circuit. Here we have the adjustment, how to make it closer to this switch. This is a screw, you can open it and then move this part here and there. And regarding the drum also has two adjustments. One is this lock, it will lock the drum here, and this is 6 inches drum, and you can move this drum on the top side. You can slide it on the top. Now you can see this section is changing. You can see this drum is moving up. You can adjust the drum to any level, or you can make it back. You can push it back, it comes back, and then you can lock if you don't want to. Otherwise also this is quite strong. This is the paper we are having. This is a graph paper or the plain paper. It comes the plain paper also. You can put any side, or we have another 100 pieces pack. This is 6 inches 15 centimeter by this is about 22 inches 43 centimeter. This is to be attached here by the clips or by the sellotape. You can do it. And there is a working of the instrument, very easy, simple. We have got the manual also with the manual speeds. This is a digital instrument. Please visit the website and like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. This is WhatsApp number 99922222049. Another is 94160200018. Our email is abron01@gmail.com. Visit the website, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.